Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to brainstorm new content ideas with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So, let's get started. You know that brainstorming new content ideas is easy with ChatGPT. It helps you find training topics, creative prompts, and new ways to build on your exciting content. So now I'm gonna show you some structure and rules step by step with some points and example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Explore trending topics in your niche. ChatGPT can help you identify the latest trends and popular topics in your niche, sparking new content ideas. Example prompt. List 5 trending topics in the tech industry that would interest in professionals. Let's check the answer. Here is your answer. Number 2. Use creative prompts to spark ideas. Use ChatGPT to suggest creative writing prompts that push you to think outside the box and develop fresh content ideas. Example prompt. Suggest 5 unique blog post ideas about mindfulness for a busy lifestyle. ChatGPT will provide you the best output. And the last one, number 3. Expand or exciting content. ChatGPT can help you expand on your exciting content by offering different angles, formats, or topics to explore further. Example prompt. How can I turn my blog post on productivity hacks into a series of YouTube videos? Let's search the answer. Here is your best result. So, with ChatGPT, you can consistently generate fresh and relevant content ideas. Stay inspired and keep your content pipeline full with just a few simple prompts. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.